How to fix Instagram crashing on Android and iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram crashing or closing automatically on your Android phone or iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone and go to Apps. Inside App Manager, find and tap Instagram. Then select Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. Avoid tapping Clear Data unless you know your Instagram login credentials, as it may sign you out. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, install it, as app crashes are often fixed in newer versions. Now, completely close Instagram and remove it from your recent apps. You can also restart your phone to refresh the system. If the app is still crashing, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and try opening Instagram again. Finally, if none of these steps work, the issue may be caused by a temporary Instagram server outage. In that case, wait a while and try again later, as Meta usually resolves widespread issues automatically. That's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Instagram crashing or closing automatically. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.